Hey everyone, so if you use Google Calendar just for basic reminders, you're actually missing a lot of powerful features. I'll show you how to use Google Calendar advanced settings to stay fully organized in 2026. First, open Google Calendar and click the settings icon in the top right corner. Now go into settings and explore the general section. Here you can change your default view like day, week, or month. Next, set your working hours so people know when you're available. Now, adjust notifications so you don't miss important events. If you work internationally, enable time zone settings. When creating events, you can add video calls, attachments, and guests. Use color coding to organize work and personal events. And finally, connect Google Tasks for better productivity. And that's it. Now you know how to use Google Calendar advanced settings like a pro.